Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts to your Hotmail account over here. As you can see, firstly, you're going to have to go to a browser and search for outlook.com. Then simply log into your Hotmail account over here. This is the home interface of Hotmail account. And here on the left hand side, we're going to look for the contacts option here that says people. Click on the people option over here and it will open a all contacts option over here. Click on the add a new contact over here and simply click on the first name and fill out all the necessary informations that need to be filled out. After you are done with filling all the informations, just simply click on save and your new contact will be saved to your Hotmail account. And that is how you add contacts to Hotmail. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.